Hi everyone. I wanted to make a different kind of video this week. For some of our math this week, we're going to be joined by a guest teacher, Claire Durkees. Ms. Durkees is a math and science specialist at a neighboring school district. So I just wanted to take a moment to introduce her and get to know her a little bit, since she'll be featured in some videos over the next couple of weeks. So Ms. Durkees, before we get started, I just wanted to check in. How are you doing? How's your family doing?
I'm doing great. My family's doing really well. We had a nice Mother's Day today. It was good.
Great. Yeah, happy Mother's Day.
Thank you.
And I'm glad to hear that your family's doing well in such a stressful and challenging time.
Thank you.
So one of the things that the main thing that you're going to be sharing with our class is something called a math task. Can you just, in general, describe what math tasks are?
Sure. A math task is a task that you might not know the answers to, and they're specifically designed to get you to think, to problem solve. We call it engage in a productive struggle. So you'll have to do some creative problem solving when you're working on a math task, and the learning in a math task comes when you're doing the math task, not necessarily when you get the answer, but it's in that engaging in the productive struggle, that's when you're learning the most.
All right. And then kind of attached to that, what should students think about when they're working on a math task?
Well, they should think about all the different problem solving strategies that you've taught them in fourth grade and before. They should think about learning from their mistakes. So if they try something out and it doesn't work, using something else, seeing if they can try something different. They should think about things like drawing pictures to help them. There's really no right or wrong way to solve a math task. It's really, what do they think? Is it working? And if it's not working, think of something different.
Great, thank you. So I just have a couple more questions so that you can kind of get to know, or the class can get to know you as well. How does it feel to be the best teacher in your household?
Stop it. Well, I'm not the best teacher in my household.
But how does it feel to be the best teacher?
Well, I enjoy teaching and I enjoy...
And you're the best in the
Okay.
household. All right, good to know. So if you could change 5 things about your husband, what would you change? What would you change?
I'm gonna cut his hair. That would be something.
Mm-hmm.
Because I know it's driving him crazy.
Mm-hmm.
So there's that. I feel like that would take up the 5 things.
So that actually leads to the next question,
Okay,
which should be, in addition to being a math and science specialist, you're also an amateur haircutter and stylist.
Yeah.
What are some things that you think our viewers out there should need to know, looking at the before of this haircut, that what should we think about for giving haircuts at home?
Oh, what should we think about?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. We should think about good communication, making sure that the person getting the haircut tells exactly what they want. Okay. We should think about... Go ahead.
I was just wondering, do you think, would the words productive struggle come into the haircutting task as it would in a math task?
That's a really good analogy.
Would you plan on making a sketch, trying different strategies during the haircut?
Yeah, I probably would. If something's not working, I'm going to have to try something different.
Different strategies during the haircut.
Yeah.
So you're saying it's more about the process, not about the end product.
Well, let's hope for a good end product this time.
Yeah, we'll see what the end product looks like. But really, it's all about the process, right? All right. Well, thank you.
Yes.
We look forward to your videos and your math tasks.
Okay, great.
And if any of you have more questions to send Ms. Durkees, feel free to email them, and we can maybe have another interview. That'd be kind of fun.
Good.
All right. Thank you for your time.
Yep. I hope you enjoyed the math tasks.